Hi everyone, it's Data Night and welcome back to my channel. And today we're not going to be having something on my head, more like my S3 bucket kind of thing. But I'm just kind of testing something, and obviously I wouldn't be doing this often, but trust me, I'm going back to my bucket. A lot of people have been talking about how artificial intelligence is going to take over software engineering jobs. Well, that might be cool. A lot of stuff, that are actually a lot of AI that writing code and stuff like that. But still on, we are going to be talking about how artificial intelligence and machine learning is helping software developers or software engineers to actually write code faster and debug faster. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to be answering 3 questions, and then I'll move over machine learning tools that can help software developers debug faster and code faster. No, that's really researchers at US Department of Energy already predicted that 2040 AI is going to be writing code faster and better than software developers or software engineers. That might be true, but still on, don't forget that machine learning and AI is not taking over your job. Instead, they're helping you do your job better. And the next question is, do software engineers use machine learning? They use machine learning. I'm actually going to be talking about 2 machine learning tools. So those 2 tools are going to help you debug faster and code faster. So the next one is machine learning software or hardware? Well, to cut the long story short of me trying to explain the algorithm and stuff like that, most of these algorithms are implemented on software and one on hardware. Into 2 tools or 2 machine learning tools that help software developers debug faster and code faster. So the first one is Deepcode, and Deepcode is the first real-time semantic code analysis which is powered by artificial intelligence. And you can actually see the demo, but before we go into the demo, let's look at one of the amazing features of Deepcode. The Deepcode allows you to check for critical issues and security vulnerabilities, and also you can get results immediately. So it does the kind of semantic code analysis through your code base, even if you have millions of code base. So you can actually integrate it on your IDE or directly in your Git workflow. The benefit of going from self-going knowledge base, it also allows you to learn example, fix on real comments. So let's take a look at the demo of Deepcode, and you can see Deepcode demo on React and stuff like that. So let's try this one. Okay. So before then, let me log in. So I can kind of try Deepcode on my GitHub repositories. So once you click on GitHub, if you want to try it on your Git bucket, you can. But I've clicked on GitHub, and you can see all my Git repositories, all my GitHub repositories, and also is initializing. So I'll get to see if any of my repo has an issue. Okay, so amazing. You can see AutoV. AutoV is an automated visualization library that allows you to visualize your dataset in a single line of code. So let's see more details about the particular issue. So it kind of find out an issue or bug in your code and then recommend how you should fix the bug. So it's showing you a suggestion on how to fix this particular bug, or other alternative on how to write code better or write that particular line of code. So you can see next suggestion and next suggestion. So we can ignore the line by adding this particular line of code here to our notebook, or sorry, to our script or that particular line of code. So I'm not going to be adding any of those things, Okay, so you can actually try them on various of your repositories. So let's move on to the next one, which is Metabob. So Metabob help you save countless hours with AI-based method analysis. So Metabob is a tool for visualizing and reviewing your Python code to find out the hidden error and performance sink. It works in 10 simple steps. So all you need to do is to log in with your GitHub, and it go through or analyze all your repository in your GitHub. Okay, so before we log into our GitHub, let's look at some of the features that Metabob has. The first one is that automatically detect area where bugs may hide. So you just have to stop wasting time locating your bug. With Metabob, you can use machine learning to pinpoint the area where your bug may be actually hiding, or you kind of look out for your bug. Then the next one is to instantly visualize how your code connect to each other. More like a connection of how each and every code is linked together. And they're working on deploying a code recommendation which we saw on Deepcode. So you can kind of check it out. One is a simple step on how it works. So what it does is that firstly it pushes across your source code, that when you log in with your GitHub, it then goes through all your code in your repository, or all your repo in your repository, and then code decomposition, and it does a meta-analysis and identify the problem or the bug in your code or your code base. So right now I've been able to see how machine learning is helping software developers code faster and debug faster. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell to get notification on when I post my next video.